Hello honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute seagull. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. In this lesson we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, the body, wings, feet, bandana, beak, and overalls. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, body, wings, feet, beak, bandana, and overalls. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Just spot on your paper you like. I'll start over here on the top of the paper and draw upside down U shape. I start over here, come up, curve right and down. These ends must be on the same level. Then we're gonna draw a beak. I draw a curve over here on the left side. Then draw another small curve and connect these ends with a U shape. I knew you could do it! Then we're gonna draw a neck. Draw a straight vertical line on the right side to the down and to the left side, and on the left side draw a straight vertical lines. These ends must be on the same level. Then we're gonna draw a body. Draw a big U shape over here. I start on the left side, goes down, curve right, then up and connect. Well done, keep on trying. Now let's draw a wing. Draw a curve over here on the left side and connect with the body with 3 U shapes. Let's count 1, 2, 3. And let's draw the same thing on the right side. Curve line, then 3 U shapes over here. 1, 2, 3. Then let's draw feet. Draw 2 diagonal lines over here on the bottom of the body. Then connect these lines with 3 U shapes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And let's draw the same thing on the right side. 2 diagonal lines. And let's connect them these ends with the 3 U shapes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Keep up the good work. Now let's draw bandana. Draw straight horizontal line over here on the head. Then draw backward C shape on the right side. Then 2 leaf shapes for bandana tips. Then let's draw the eye. Draw oval over here and here. Now let's draw overalls. Draw U shape over here near the neck. Then let's draw the pocket. Draw horizontal line inside the overalls, then U shape, then dot line over here. And let's add some details. We're gonna draw the boat. I draw 2 horizontal lines over here inside the pocket and connect them with 2 diagonal lines. Then we're gonna draw 2 triangles for sails on the left side and on the right side. That's the way to go, you did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you can download and print my cute coloring book. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. My banana will be red and blue. Let's draw 3 blue plum stripes. The first, the second, and the third. Then another 2 plum stripes over here. Then let's color white stripes red. I choose orange for big, tracing and coloring inside. My seagull has roses in his cheeks. Draw an oval and let's color it pink. Let's add the texture of the feathers. Draw 5 ovals over here on the right side of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the wings. And on the wings. Now let's color the feet. I choose brown, then I choose blue for overalls. Tracing, try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up, keep on trying, you can do it. Tracing again and coloring. Dark brown for both. White and red for sails. Wow, what a wonderful drawing! I like your seagull. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and paper fun games. All links in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.